You fix your child a wonderful healthy meal and get ready to sit down at the table. But inside you're feeling anxious because you know your child will likely balk at the food and refuse to eat it. Sure enough, you call them to the table and set the food in front of them only to be met with a defiant attitude. What do you do now? There's one simple rule that you can put in place that will stop the battles altogether. Here it is. 1 bite of everything to get more of anything. This is not just that they have to try each item. That would become a battle in some circumstances, and that's not necessary. Actually, they don't have to try it. They can choose. But here's how to implement this rule. Number 1, explain the rule. Before the next meal, have a short conversation where you tell them the rule. 1 bite of everything to get more of anything. And let them know that they will be able to choose how much they eat and what they eat from each meal. But the rule means that if they want more of anything, they'll have to eat the 1 bite that is put on their plate of every item served. Number 2, put 1 bite on their plate of each item. When mealtime arrives, prepare their plate with 1 child-sized bite of each item. It doesn't matter if it's a food they like or they don't like or haven't had before. Just 1 bite of each item goes on their plate at the start of the meal. Here's a little hint that may help. The first couple of meals you use this method, be sure to put at least 1 healthy item on the plate that you know they will like, such as applesauce or their favorite pasta, etc. This will get them started on participating in the plan. There's also a really great plate that makes it easy for kids to learn about healthy eating. It splits the plate up into sections labeled with the different food groups. You can find a link to that in the description below. Number 3, allow them to make their choice. Once you set the plate in front of them, remind them that if they eat all that is on their plate, they will be able to ask for more of anything they want. So if they like something, just eat everything else on their plate and they can have more of anything they want. Don't try to feed them to get them started. Don't fuss about it. Let them make their choice, and you make the choice not to fuss, beg, or plead with them to eat. They either eat all of what's on their plate, again, which is just 1 bite of each item, or they don't. If they do eat all of it, they can ask for more of whatever items they liked. If not, you finish eating your meal and then end the meal. Number 4, don't add any other consequences. Remember that the rule isn't if they don't eat, they get in trouble, or you plead and prod them to eat, or you withhold other foods later in the day if they don't eat it now. You send them to bed or to the room if they don't eat, etc. No, it's simple. They can choose to eat what's on their plate at the beginning of the meal or not. The plan for you is to end the battles with the picky eaters, right? Then make the choice to end them. Don't fuss, contend, or stress over food. Just serve it, be consistent, and stick to the rule, and it'll be fine. Number 5, they won't starve. So you're worried they will not eat enough. Not true. Your child will not starve or be malnourished if they're offered a variety of healthy foods and snacks at regular intervals throughout the day. If you want your child to get excited about trying new foods, you can see another short video that will tell you step by step how to accomplish just that by clicking on the screen now. Before you click there, please don't forget to subscribe. Parents, you can do this. I hope to see you here next time.